Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T32 Kombi Highline in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the classic solid paint colour candy white. Across the front of the vehicle, it features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the Kombi sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels and come in a 5-spoke star design. Towards the rear of the vehicle, there is a tailgate with a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the vehicle, there is a very sizable amount of storage space here. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind which there is a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. The seats feature ISOFIX points, and the rubber floor covering extends all the way to the rear passenger area. Up front in the driver's cab, we have a twin armrest seat for the driver. Next to this, there is a twin-seater passenger bench. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash, we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as utilise the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Once reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will also display on this screen. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. This van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Further down to the left, we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.